Hi guys, I'm just going to take you through the very initial ideas that we presented in terms of how we can totally change the focus of the website so it's focused primarily on the individual agents and really promoting their services. So I'm just going to quickly whiz through some header examples. So you see like a really stripped back simple header area, going through the values. Now this is a sort of very initial ideas, and I'm not necessarily saying that we would be going through a whole focus group and session in terms of working out all the details that should go on these. But I just wanted to really just sort of show some, the difference just having a really simple header area, and took your notes on board, Mark, in terms of not necessarily having the site using the darker tones, but this is something we'll be able to go through in those initial phases. That sort of real brand evaluation and just ensure the colours are right. And one of the nice features that I discussed is having potentially different colours for night and day, like we've done on Nickel and Co. and Weber's. And then same sort of format looks really nice with the lifestyle imagery. And then we might be sort of changing the imagery for daytime and nighttime, which I think I think could work really well. So I've added that one in, Mark. It's slightly lighter. I suppose it's probably still sunset, but lighter hues. Cool. So quickly sort of whiz through. So as I mentioned, my UX designer, web designer, he's obsessed about forms, and we've taken everything we've learnt from the last 4 years from What Worked With You, Move, and I do honestly feel we've got the best forms in the business and with the highest conversion rate. And in terms of, it's just having the step process, even terms down to the content you have here. Can really make a difference. And now that we've just spotted that Valpal have an API, which is who you guys use at the moment, we'll be able to reskin that and make that look nice, because theirs at the moment looks absolutely terrible. And then we'll come back up to this in a minute. Key call to action there. I'm looking for the best agent near me, but really quite prominent high up on the page. We want to define exactly what the user is doing on the page. So I want to sell a property, I'm looking to buy, I want to let a property, I'm looking to rent. So we're on a default there, I want to sell. But by changing that, what we would do there is we would change the content of the page. So we'd change the video here. So if that was I'm looking to buy, then you'd have a video there that's promoting that. And then really keen to make the most of the brand values. Now we can easily sort of increase the size of these illustrations, Mark, taking on your feedback, but I think really making the most of the brand values and what they mean. So we've got quite a prominent module for that, and the colours and that can obviously change and the size of the illustrations, and then our top rated agents in your area. And then so we've got book a professional valuation, book an instant online valuation like you have at the moment. But this key call to action here is I'm looking for the best agent near me. So you put in your postcode. So you can put in Sandbanks. And then this is all about how you can scale up. So you may well just start off with one, but that could quite easily be 7 or 8 as you grow over the next few years. So let's say we pick this lady, and then so it's the same valuation call to action, but by having her picture there, we're absolutely certain, and David Laycock was as well, totally agree with us that we reckon that's going to increase the conversion rate. And you could even go as far as changing the actual content here so it's specific to a particular agent. So we've got a valuation, and then at the end of that, which I think is really nice, is why sell with me? And then if you're interested to find out more, that takes you to her personal brand page. So same sort of details there, contact details, you've got the name at the top now. Same sort of call to actions, but it's really focused about promoting the agent's value and experience. So I cover the following areas. And then same sort of details here, so she would have a different video for each of the offerings, and it's really important, I think, that we have a video from all of the franchisees. And then customer reviews. Now these are text ones here, but as we mentioned, I think another thing that would be really good is as soon as the franchisees get the first couple of sales, is really pushing for video testimonials, because that can make all the difference and is going to be a differentiator. Cool. So that's just a couple of the pages. So well, primarily really it's a home page and a personal brand page, but we can discuss further down the lines whether that should be partly integrated into the site, and I think we really do feel it can be, but I think you can do it in a way whereby it really does feel like the agent has their own website, but you're getting the best of both worlds there. But cool. So I'm going to finish this one here, and then I'm going to quickly do another video that actually shows you the page prior to this. So